Hi, I'm Dylan. I've been working in the Fort Steele Bakery for 2 years, and today I'm going to be making lemon loaf. So we're adding 2 cups of sugar to the eggs, 2 cups of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of canola oil, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. My favorite thing, the Clydesdales and the livestock. $3.25. Yeah, the Clydesdale Dylan. My favorite. Start with 20 minutes, probably have to flip them and do another 20.
Okay.
So now we're going to check if they're ready. And there's no dough sticking to that, so it looks good.
Yeah. How many times have you burned yourself?
Twice really bad, and then a couple times that just hurt, and then I forgot about it.
Yeah.
You learn pretty quick not to grab the certain parts of the oven. Okay, so now we're gonna make the glaze for the loaves. I'm going to do 2 cups of sugar and 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. Yeah, my grandma worked here in the printing press while it was still open, making the newspapers, and my great-grandma worked in the Lambie house and the dress shop. Okay. So we'll brush a little bit of this on. And now they're all done.
6 eggs.
6 huevos. Pienso que es palabra huevos. Azúcar, 2 tazos. Greek yogurt. No sabe palabra para Greek yogurt. baking powder. Yeah, it's been months